Google AI Studio has been making waves as a free AI app builder, but does it live up to the hype? With so many tools out there, I wanted to see if this one truly stands out or if it's just another overhyped platform. Google AI Studio is designed to help users create apps powered by AI without needing extensive coding knowledge. Right off the bat, the interface feels intuitive and user-friendly, which is a huge plus for beginners. You can easily drag and drop elements to build your app's layout, and the AI capabilities allow for some fascinating features like natural language processing and data analysis. However, while the core functionality is there, it does feel like there are some gaps. For instance, the documentation could be more comprehensive, leaving new users a bit in the dark. Also, it seems like the platform is aimed at hobbyists or small businesses rather than larger enterprises, which might limit its appeal. The potential for creativity is impressive, but I found myself wishing for clearer guidance on more advanced features. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Google AI Studio is completely free, which is a significant advantage for anyone looking to experiment without financial commitment. The ease of use and integration with other Google services is also a strong point. On the flip side, the limitations in documentation and support could frustrate users who run into issues. Additionally, more advanced users may find the platform lacking in flexibility and customization options. It's great for quick projects, but if you're looking for something robust, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, while it's a solid starting point, it may not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Google AI Studio is worth a try for beginners and those looking to dabble in AI app development without spending a dime. However, if you're an experienced developer or need advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. It's a promising tool, but it definitely has room for improvement.